Riu we hihi mwaka mweru urenda atia? Nie kae hakwa mwaka mweru, my greatest aspiration and dream is to have a good relationship with Jesus Christ. Ndeigua kwendana na Ngai makiria, umwihoka, na ngaigua muturire-ini uyu turaikara ndigenda gucuthiriria kindu giothe ingiona na maitho, tondu ona kihuukanio ni giukaga, koguo kaba gweterera Ngai. That is my 2026 resolution: mending, strengthening, uplifting my relationship with God. What is your resolution for 2026? In as much as nituchisaga maundu maingi muturire-ini, ni wega kwiyuragia, tondu maandiko maigaga maundu mothe ni magakinya muthia. Maundu maria ona twanaruirira muturire-ini mothe no makinye muthia na mekirwo full stop. No ni wega kwiyuragia atiriri, thutha wa uhoro ri, by the end of it all, by the end of our achievement, our only satisfaction ni kumenya ati ti theru our journey with God has been good. And that is my prayer for 2026 for everyone, my family, and all my relatives and my friends, that we may make our relationship with God stronger. Like, share, and continue subscribing. Thank you.